respected Secretary Professor Vijay Raghavan ji, respected former Secretary DSP Dr. Ramasamy ji, respected Madam Rita Menon, my dear colleague Dr. Mukhopadhyay, dear children, proud parents, teachers, state officials, and all other invitees. It is my proud privilege to welcome our dignitaries on the dais, in particular Professor Vijay Raghavan, Secretary Department of Science and Technology, and other dignitaries, Dr. Ramasamy, Madam Rita Menon, Dr. Mukhopadhyay. In fact, we are missing our Honorable Minister today. He was supposed to address us and bless the young and budding scientists. But as I said in the beginning of the program, it was to answer an important national duty that he had gone to Jammu Kashmir today itself on Prime Minister's saying, and he could not come with us. But he has sent his blessings and messages which Professor Vijay Raghavan shared with you. Let me do my duty of welcoming all the dignitaries on the dais as well as all who have spared their valuable time and have graciously accepted our request to meet the inspired audience of the 4th national competition and bless the young and bright, talented budding scientists of India who have come from all parts of the country. In fact, Professor Vijay Raghavan and of course our Honorable Minister were not only the chief guest, they are the chief host of the function. Actually, it is their function and everything has been done under their leadership and guidance, and they have helped us in smoothly and successfully organizing this event, and in fact I thank them for that help and support also. This function started on 6th October 2014 with the exhibition and competition of 868 children came from all parts of the country, all states, union territories, and central organizations like Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan are participating. Jury has done an intensive evaluation. A high-level jury of 230 persons were constituted who went around each and every stall, interacted with these children, and they gave them almost 30 minutes to 45 minutes to each child. His idea was not to just assess them for the award. The idea was to interact with them, motivate them, and they did their job brilliantly. And in fact, our former secretary, Dr. Ramasamy, really helped us in facilitating the entire jury process, and he supervised the entire jury process. And we are especially grateful to him for having come especially to help us in the jury process. Now, as on today, as all of you know, we have already sanctioned more than 11 lakh awards. This is by no means a small achievement. Students studying in classes 6 to 10 can get enrolled in this award. And more than 7 lakh children out of these have already participated in district level competitions. Out of which 50,000 went for the state level competitions. And we have already now, including today's function, 4 national competitions have been done. So it is a matter of great pride that I have got an opportunity to get myself associated with such a noble scheme, and I thank both our present secretary as well as our former secretary who have given me this opportunity to get associated with this scheme. And even today's 868 awardees who have come, they have completed out of 2 lakh awardees who participated in the district level competitions, out of which 15,000 went for state, and they are out of the cream of those 2 lakh plus minus that 15,000 and 868, out of which we are now today selecting the national awardees, regional awardees, and the state awardees. There are 3 types of awards which will be conferred today. And I'm also happy to announce that Honorable Vice President of India has invited the winners of today's award, National Regional Awardee, for a high tea today at 4 o'clock at his residence. And we will be making special announcements for that. Not only these awardees he has invited, Honorable Vice President has been gracious enough to also invite the mentor teachers of these children, and some of the proud parents would also be joining for that program today at 4 o'clock. So this is a matter of great pride for the Ministry of Science and Technology and for all of us. Dr. Mukhopadhyay and Dr. Neeraj Sharma were our two chief coordinators for the jury process. In fact, it's my particular duty to thank both of them for the work they did to coordinate the entire jury process. And I welcome both of them to this gathering also. In fact, more importantly, I welcome all the awardees who have come from far-flung areas of the country, their teachers, state officials, their proud parents. It is they who have made this event important. They are our hope for future. In fact, Inspire scheme is an investment in hope, and we do hope that many of these children will become world-class scientists one day, and possibly some of them will become Nobel laureates also. That is why we call this is an investment in hope. I welcome all other guests, invitees, jury members, media personnel, my colleagues and scientists and officers from Department of Science and Technology, as well as other sister department, Department of Biotechnology, DSIR, and other science ministries and other ministries of Government of India who have accepted our invitation and come for this function. With these few words and welcoming once again to all of you, I stop here and thank you all very much.
Thank you so much.